Let's sort some dinosaurs by size. Do you know what kind of a dinosaur this is? Yeah, a Triceratops. Let's put the Triceratops here in the middle. I'm going to show you another dinosaur. Is it bigger or smaller than the Triceratops? What kind of a dinosaur is this? Yeah, Ankylosaurus. Is it bigger or smaller than the Triceratops? Smaller. So we'll put it over here. And what kind of a dinosaur is this? This is Supersaurus. Is the Supersaurus bigger or smaller than the Triceratops? Yeah, much bigger. So we'll put it over there. So we have small, medium, and large. We've arranged them by size. The Ankylosaurus is the smallest, Triceratops is in the middle, and the Supersaurus is the biggest. Let's try with some different dinosaurs. Do you know what kind of a dinosaur this is? Yeah, this is a Spinosaurus. So let's put the Spinosaurus in the middle and see if you can see which dinosaurs are bigger or smaller than the Spinosaurus. What kind of a dinosaur is this? This is Apatosaurus. Is Apatosaurus bigger than or smaller than the Spinosaurus? Bigger. Right, so we'll put it over there. And what kind of a dinosaur is this? Stegosaurus. That's right. Is the Stegosaurus bigger than or smaller than the Spinosaurus? Smaller. That's right. So we have the smallest. We have one that's a medium size and a large one. Small, medium, and large. We have our Stegosaurus, Spinosaurus, and Apatosaurus. Let's try with 3 different dinosaurs. What kind of a dinosaur is this? This is Diplodocus. We'll put the Diplodocus here in the middle. And is this dinosaur bigger than or smaller than the Diplodocus? Yeah, the Tyrannosaurus Rex is smaller than the Diplodocus, so we'll put it over here. Do you know what kind of a dinosaur this is? This is an Argentinosaurus. Argentinosaurus. Is this dinosaur bigger or smaller than the Diplodocus? Bigger, right? It's very, very big. So we'll put it over there. So we have a dinosaur that's the smallest, one that's in the middle, and one that's the biggest. So we have the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the Diplodocus, and the Argentinosaurus. Thanks so much for coming to help me sort some dinosaurs by size. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye!